Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an ordered list in the HTML. Let's see the code. In the body tag, we have written an OL tag. OL stands for an ordered list. Inside the OL tag, we have some LI tags. LI stands for list items. And we have written some list items here. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, this is the ordered list. By default the list is ordered by 1, 2, 3, etc. But there are several other types by which we can order the list, like capital ABCD, small abcd, capital Roman numbers, small Roman numbers, etc. You can set the order type like this. This is the capital ABCD type. This is the small abcd type. This is the capital Roman number type. This is the small Roman number type. So that's it. That's how you can implement an ordered list in the HTML. Thank you.